You drove your Audi off the lot. The interior smells like money. The 4 rings glow on the steering wheel. The salesperson smiled and waved you off. What they did not tell you is the real cost of this car is just starting, and your dealer is counting on you, not knowing what comes next. 15 things they hoped you would never find. The biggest weights at number 1. Number 15. The Audi Connect, features that quietly disappear. Here is what your dealer never explained at delivery. Audi Connect is the brand's connected services platform, and the trial that came with your car is on a countdown. On most packages, the convenience and Wi-Fi features expire after just 6 months. Some newer models extend the navigation tier to 3 years. After that, every premium feature you grew used to vanishes unless you keep paying. The hardware never moved. The antenna, the SIM card, the telematics module are still installed and working. Audi simply turns off the software remotely and asks you to subscribe to keep it active. The navigation package runs $15 a month or $150 a year. The Wi-Fi hotspot package costs $25 a month or $250 a year. The car you paid full price for slowly loses functionality unless you keep paying after the sale. Open the My Audi app, audit your active services, and decide before the trial expires. Glass etching is the next quiet money grab to spot. Number 14. The VIN etching add-on you do not need. The Closer in the Finance Office presents VIN etching as a $250 to $300 anti-theft upgrade. The pitch is that engraving your vehicle identification number into the glass deters theft and helps recovery if your Audi is stolen. The catch is your Audi already has the VIN stamped in multiple visible locations: under the windshield, inside the driver door jamb, on the engine bay, and on the certification plate. Police, insurance adjusters, and salvage operators already use those. Consumer Reports has flagged VIN etching as one of the most unnecessary dealer add-ons in the industry. The actual security benefit over the factory VIN markings is statistically irrelevant. Insurance companies will tell you the same thing if you ask. If you genuinely want it done, the same job runs about $30 with a do-it-yourself kit you can order online and apply in 10 minutes. Refuse it in finance. Keep that money for a real upgrade. Tires are the next unexpected place they take your money. Number 13. The nitrogen tire fill upgrade. Some Audi dealers charge $150 to $200 to fill your tires with nitrogen instead of regular air at delivery. They will tell you it holds pressure better, runs cooler, and extends tire life. The pitch sounds engineered to match the car. The reality is regular air is already 78% nitrogen by volume. Independent testing has shown the difference in pressure retention is roughly 1 to 2 psi over an entire year, which is barely measurable on a daily driven vehicle. Consumer Reports has called nitrogen tire fills one of the least useful upgrades dealerships offer. The performance benefit on a daily driven A4 or Q5 is functionally zero. And here is the part the dealer definitely will not mention. Costco runs free nitrogen fill stations in most of their tire centers, and you do not need to buy tires there to use them. Walk away from the upgrade. Save the $200 for the maintenance you actually need. Number 12. The Paint and Fabric Protection Package. This one shows up in the finance office at $1,000 to $1,500. The dealer presents it as a professional-grade shield that protects your paint from acid rain, bird droppings, UV damage, and road salt, with an interior treatment that protects leather and Alcantara from stains. The package sounds engineered. It is not. The exterior application is a polymer sealant that takes about 15 minutes to spray on and offers months, not years, of protection. The interior treatment is comparable to a $10 can of fabric protector. Independent detailing specialists report that a real ceramic coating, applied at a proper detail shop, runs $400 to $800 and provides genuinely superior protection that lasts 5 years or longer. The dealer is charging premium money for an entry-level product. Decline the package and book the ceramic coating yourself. Every part you replace is marked up to fund their overhead. Number 11. The parts markup hidden in every service. Here is something the parts counter will not advertise. Genuine OEM Audi parts at the dealer routinely run double or more compared to the same part numbers ordered through independent parts suppliers and online specialists. Manufacturers source parts from suppliers at a rough 5 times markup. Then dealerships add another 20 to 40% on top. That oil filter quoted at $50 at the service counter might be $25 ordered online. Brake pads listed at $380 at your dealer could run $190 from a reputable supplier. Across 5 to 10 years of ownership, the same genuine parts at independent prices add up to thousands in difference. Owner forums and Audi enthusiast communities consistently flag this as one of the most overlooked ownership costs. If your independent specialist sources OEM parts at real market prices and passes the savings along, you keep that margin instead of funding the dealership. Number 10. The Audi Care window expires sooner than your warranty. Most new Audi owners assume scheduled maintenance is covered for the full 4-year, 50,000-mile factory warranty. It is not. Audi Care, the standard scheduled maintenance package covering your 10, 20, 30 and 40,000 mile services on 2020 and newer models, expires at 60 months or 52,000 miles, whichever comes first. After those limits are reached, every oil change, every cabin filter, every inspection is on your dime at Audi dealer labor rates that start at $150 per hour and frequently exceed $200 per hour in metro areas. Audi does sell Audi Care Select packages that extend coverage further, but you have to ask for them. The dealer is not going to remind you these exist when they can charge you full price for each individual service instead. Mark your odometer at 50,000 and decide whether to extend or move to an independent specialist. Quattro service is one of the cleverest revenue plays on the lot. Number 9. The Quattro inspection package that was never required. Audi service centers love this one because the badge does the marketing. Standalone Quattro inspection packages are routinely presented as preventative maintenance for your all-wheel drive system. Priced anywhere from $150 to $400 per visit. The pitch is that your Quattro drivetrain needs specialized attention beyond the standard service intervals because of its complexity. Independent Audi specialists confirm that the Quattro system itself requires very little beyond differential and transfer case fluid changes at the intervals specified in your owner's manual. Visual checks of the driveshaft, CV joints, rear differential and Haldex unit on certain models are part of normal scheduled service. The dealer simply repackages those checks as a premium standalone item and adds 50% or more on top of factory required maintenance. Open your owner's manual. The engineers who designed Quattro spent years calibrating exactly when each fluid needs attention. Anything beyond that is dealer revenue, not engineering necessity. Number 8. Using an independent mechanic does not void your Audi warranty. This is the single most expensive myth in Audi ownership. The dealer wants you to believe that the moment a non-Audi technician touches your car, your warranty disappears. That belief keeps you paying $150 to $200 per hour in dealer labor for every oil change, every filter swap, every minor service. The belief is illegal under federal law. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act of 1975 makes it illegal for any manufacturer to require dealership service as a condition of warranty coverage. The burden of proof falls on Audi to show that a specific repair done elsewhere caused a specific failure. They cannot blanket deny coverage because you visited an independent shop. Independent European specialists with factory training and ASE certifications charge 30 to 50% less than the dealership for identical work. Use any qualified independent shop you trust. Keep receipts. Your warranty stays intact. Warranty pricing varies more than you think between two dealers. Number 7. The 3 times price spread on extended warranties. Audi Pure Protection plans extend coverage beyond the factory 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty in 3 tiers. Powertrain, Gold, and Platinum. Same coverage, same paperwork. The price you pay depends entirely on which dealer prints the contract. Owner forums and Audi enthusiast communities document quoted prices ranging from around $2,500 to over $7,000 for the same plan on the same vehicle. That is a 3-times spread between the cheapest and most expensive dealer for identical coverage. Dealers carry enormous flexibility on these contracts because the wholesale cost is significantly less than what you see in the finance office, where pressure to sign is highest and comparison shopping is lowest. Always pull quotes from at least 3 different Audi dealers before committing. And remember, the plan can be purchased any time before your factory warranty expires. The urgency in the finance office is manufactured. Walk away and shop the contract on your own timeline. Number 6. The hidden charges quietly added to your loan. Audi finance offices generate substantial back-end profit through a tactic called loan packing, adding extras like extended warranties, paint protection, fabric treatments, or third-party service contracts to your loan without explicit consent. One Audi buyer reported finding $4,000 in third-party warranty charges added without authorization on a CPO purchase. When the buyer asked for removal, the dealer initially refused, then offered to drop the charge only in exchange for a higher interest rate. These add-ons inflate your monthly payment by $20 to $50, which feels insignificant on the contract but adds up to thousands across a 60 or 72-month loan. The trick relies on you trusting the paperwork and signing fast in a finance office where the pressure to close is highest. Read every line on the finance disclosure. Cross out anything you did not request. Walk away if the dealer pushes back on a clean contract. Stakes climb sharply across the next 4 reveals. If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Number 5. The certified pre-owned badge does not mean what you think. If you bought your Audi as a CPO vehicle, the salesperson framed it as peace of mind. A 300-point inspection, factory-backed warranty, vetted history. The reality is more complicated. Audi CPO requires the vehicle to be less than 5 model years old with under 60,000 miles, but the inspection itself varies dramatically by dealership. Independent specialists who buy CPO Audis at auction routinely report finding issues the inspection missed. Worn brakes near the minimum threshold, tires close to replacement, deferred maintenance the previous owner never disclosed. The CPO checklist measures whether components meet a minimum standard, not whether they are like new. One owner reported finding $4,000 in third-party warranty charges added to their CPO purchase without consent. Always have an independent Audi specialist run a pre-purchase inspection on any CPO vehicle. The few $100s it costs can reveal thousands in deferred work. Dual clutch fluid is the next Audi-specific trap. Number 4, the S-Tronic lifetime fluid claim that destroys transmissions. Here is what your Audi dealer rarely mentions about your transmission. Audi labels several of their dual-clutch S-Tronic transmissions and Tiptronic units as having lifetime fluid. The technical service literature suggests no fluid change is required for the life of the transmission. Independent transmission specialists tell a very different story. Owner forums and DSG specialist shops document widespread mechatronic unit failures and clutch pack wear in S-Tronic units that have never had a fluid service, often presenting between 60,000 and 90,000 miles. The DQ250 and DQ500 dual clutch units are particularly known for it. Independent specialists recommend a complete fluid and filter service every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. A neglected S-Tronic mechatronic replacement runs $4,000 to $6,000 in parts and labor. A scheduled fluid service costs $400 to $600. The math is simple. Spend $500 every 40,000 miles, or spend $5,000 once because you trusted the lifetime label. Number 3, the carbon buildup that quietly destroys your TFSI. The back of the intake valves never gets washed by gasoline detergents. Carbon accumulates over time and chokes airflow. Independent Audi specialists confirm carbon buildup symptoms typically appear between 60,000 and 80,000 miles. Rough idle, hesitation under load, misfires, and lost power. The fix is a procedure called walnut blasting, which physically removes the carbon with crushed walnut shell media. Walnut blasting at an independent specialist runs $500 to $1,000. At the dealer, it can run $1,200 to $1,800. Schedule walnut blasting every 60,000 to 80,000 miles on any direct injection Audi. Skip it and your engine slowly suffocates. Ownership math is about to look very different. Number 2. The true cost of Audi ownership escalates fast after year 3. CarEdge data shows first-year Audi maintenance averages around $460. By year 5, that number climbs to $940. By year 10, you are paying $1,000, $494 annually in maintenance and repairs alone. Major repair probability starts at just 3% in year 1, but jumps to nearly 31% by year 10. Add depreciation. Most Audi models lose 40 to 60% of value over 5 years depending on the model. A $50,000 A6 or Q7 can be worth $20,000 to $25,000 after 5 years. RepairPal puts the average annual Audi maintenance and repair cost at $987 per year, well above the segment average. Insurance on an Audi runs higher than competing segments because of repair costs and parts pricing. Stacked depreciation, maintenance and insurance, and a $50,000 Audi costs $40,000 to $45,000 to own over 5 years. Add financing interest and the picture gets sharper. Walking in with your trade-in is where they win. Number 1. The trade-in bundling trick that genuinely costs you thousands. This is the one that quietly transfers the most money from owner to dealership. And the dealer counts on you not seeing it happen in real time. When you bring your current vehicle to an Audi dealer to trade in, the appraiser will offer you wholesale value or below, what they would pay at a dealer auction. That number is almost always significantly lower than what you could get selling privately or through CarMax, Carvana, or competing dealers. The trick is the bundling. The dealer might bump your trade-in offer by $500, then quietly add the same $500 to the new car price, or extend your financing term to lower the monthly payment without lowering the total cost. The trade-in, the new car price, and the financing terms get presented as one negotiation, which makes it nearly impossible to evaluate each piece individually. The fix is straightforward. Get your trade-in appraised independently before you ever walk into the dealership. CarMax, Carvana, and competing dealers will all give you written offers. Use those as your floor, then negotiate the new car price as a completely separate conversation. Never let the dealer combine the 3 numbers. That bundling is where the profit hides, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Closing acknowledge what Audi gets right. The engineering is real. The Quattro system is real. The driving experience earns the 4 rings on the hood. What does not earn those rings is the ownership process built around the car, the subscriptions, the upsells, the lifetime fluid claims, the bundled trade-ins, the math nobody volunteers. The car is engineered for you. The buying process is engineered for the dealer. Now you know what they never bothered to tell you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.